Hello everyone, my name is Shifali Jain and today I'm here uh, because the Test Chat community is completing 1 year and I'm so excited, so happy that they have provided me another opportunity to come and speak here. I still remember the initial days when this community has just started and we were just few people, used to talk about testing, about different topics, about different issues that are there in the industry, about any advice that we would want from someone who is more experienced than us. And when I look today, uh, this community has grown so much and I'm so happy and I'm really thankful to all the enablers. You people are doing one commendable job and by providing a platform to each and every tester to speak, to share, to gain knowledge and whatnot. So today I'm here. I will speak just on a very general topic, like the topic is what is the importance of making a right decision or coming up with the right choice. So if you think about in our day-to-day lives, we daily make decisions, small decision or any big decision. So decisions that could impact our life, decision that could impact some others lives. So how you can be sure that you are making a right choice, you are making a right decision. So what I would suggest is, first of all, we should measure all the given options, that what all options are there for you to choose from. Okay, then you should see that who all are getting impacted from your decisions. Like for example, if I take since it is COVID times, so it's a very small decision to decide whether you want to step out from your house or not. So just measure everything. Okay, so if you talk about, like, is it really necessary to step out at this moment? If it is, then you have to take all the precautions while stepping out. You have to wear your mask, you have to take all the social distancing norms in practice. Then you have to be very careful when you are getting in contact with any other person, and then coming home and taking all the precautions. So this is when you choose to step out. Now when you have to decide whether you don't have to step out, then just see that for today or maybe for a week, is it okay if you don't step out? uh, if you can just order online, or if you can just wait for certain things to come and just don't step out. So I'm just talking about this very small decision. So it is always in your hand to make the correct choice, and it is always your mind is giving you signals that whether you should go for this or not. So now it is on you that you listen to your heart, you listen to your mind, and then make a decision about it. So if I talk about choosing a career, or choosing a profession, like whether which field you need to choose, and whether where you want to move. So I would want you to again see your options. Okay, first of all, see your options, see where you are comfortable, what is your knowledge, uh, what is your expertise. So accordingly choose a career according to that. Okay, then there are other factors also, like if I talk about freshers in COVID times, I know the situation is very difficult for you people, uh, but again I would want you to weigh everything. Like, you need a job right now. Okay, so just do not enter anywhere. Okay, think about it, take time, think about it, talk to experts, talk to people who are experienced, research about that particular job that you have been offered, research about the company that you will be going to join, then check about the work culture there, check about the work life balance. Then these are some of the things that you people should check before joining an organization or choosing a career. So it is always good to measure your choices. And then secondly, I would want to say that share your burden. Okay, uh, just do not uh, be a single person making a decision. Because as far as I know, we have people in our lives who get affected by decisions that we make. So just talk to them, talk to your parents, talk to anybody you feel comfortable and you think that his or her advice will affect your life, will affect your decision making capability. So I would just want you to share that burden. Okay, talk about it, discuss about it, and then take a decision about it. Now, thirdly, I would want to say that do not over analyze certain things, because when you over analyze, you tend to make wrong decisions. So do not over analyze anything. Then another advice that I would want to give is, we are humans. Okay, we tend to make mistakes. Learn from those mistakes. Okay, learn from those mistakes. Keep in mind that why did you make that decision in first place, what went wrong. Learn from that, and then when you are taking another decision of your life, just keep those points in mind, and do not forget it that because of that mistake, this was a decision that you made and this impacted your life in that way. So learn from your mistakes, learn from your past decisions, see what was right before, what went wrong. Just try and learn. Then I know some people believe that we might just go with the flow. uh, Whatever life is giving us, just go with the flow. There is nothing wrong in that, but I would suggest you take your life in your own hands. Okay, analyze things, choose wisely, discuss with people, and then make a decision. Whether it is your job change, whether it is starting with your career, whether it is getting married, or some more important decisions in your life. So just do not get swayed by whatever is happening. Okay, I'll just go with the flow and I'll see whatever the results are. I'll just be okay with whatever is happening. Just do not be okay. This is your one life, and take your life in your own hands. Make your own choices. Be confident about that. And if you want to go with one option, just be confident and be responsible for whatever decision you make. Do not blame anybody else that because of you or because of this person I did this. No, please own your own mistakes and own your own decisions. So yes, that would be it from my end. I hope I made some sense. All the best to everyone out there, and lots of love to the Test Chat community. Thank you.